purpose of the Recovery of the Year Award is to recognize a school district, insurance company, and restoration company that worked in tandem to quickly recover from a natural incident. Following historic flooding in August of 2025, the Wauwatosa School District, Kelmann Restoration, and Liberty Mutual Insurance collaborated seamlessly to restore 5 severely damaged schools within weeks. Their swift action, teamwork, and dedication ensured all schools reopened on time, exemplifying excellence in crisis recovery and community resilience.
Wauwatosa was one of the hardest hit areas. We got about 10 inches or so of rain in the area.
There were a total of 5 buildings affected. The overwhelming amount of rainwater just overwhelmed these systems. Approximately 30 classrooms were affected with water loss, a library, and then our theater over at Wauwatosa West High School. As soon as the dust settles, so to speak, you start to begin to go, wow, we only have 19 calendar days until the Friday before school starts. By the end of the day, Sunday, I knew we had a great team in place with Kelmann, EMC, Liberty Mutual, and R&R Insurance. And Monday, especially those R&R and Liberty really got their forces together and helped us out. When we prioritized, we were looking at all the classrooms. That's where learning takes place. That was our priority. By the end of the week, we had most of it turned over for use.
The incident started on August 9th. And overall completion date will be by October 31st. I just appreciate the opportunity to work with the Wauwatosa School District due to the fact that we're a tool in their tool belt. They help guide the ship, and just glad that we were a part of it.
The larger loss we had with the theater at Wauwatosa West. So there is a major production that's taking place in November. We're proud. In fact, today we just notified the production manager for that performance that they can start rehearsing on the stage.
This is more for our boots on the ground guys. They're the ones that put in that work and answered their phone on that Sunday morning. I think a lot of them also could have had water issues in their own homes and their families and everything, and they took the time out of their day to respond, come in that day, check their buildings, and do what needed to get done. All of our guys are essentially on call 24/7, but for them to be able to do that and then continually come in throughout the day as they found out things got progressively worse, to come in and support everyone and realize that we're all in this together and we're a team.
I'm grateful for the award, but I'm more grateful that we can recognize our staff and our district as a whole. I've been here just about 2 years, and for me, it was actually kind of a team building moment for me. I really got to know a lot more about people that work here and processes, and I'm grateful for people like Kevin and all of our partners. And I'm also excited to share our story because I know that other districts in Wisconsin are just as prepared as we are and have the staff to do it. And if anything we can talk about to help others, I'm excited for that.